Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the poem The Moon. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He was a Scottish poet. He is one of the greatest writers. So this poem has 3 stanzas, and in this poem the poet tells that the moon acts as a protector of night, watching over people, animals and places. Now let's begin reading this poem. The moon has a face like the clock in the hall. She shines on thieves on the garden wall, on streets and fields and harbor quays, and birdies asleep in the forks of the trees. Here, the moon is compared to clock because the moon has a face like the clock in the hall. All of you know that the clock shows time. So, same way, the moon also shows the night time. The moon looks down on the thieves climbing over a garden wall. It also watching over the people, animals, and places. Here, the meaning of harbor quays means the place at the bank of a river where ships load. And over to second stanza. The squalling cat and the squeaking mouse, the howling dog by the door of the house, the bat that lies in bed at noon, all love to be out by the light of the moon. In this stanza, the poet tells the various sounds made by the animals. They disturb the silence of night. The bat sleeps during the daytime and hunts at night. The poet tells that these creatures love to be out by the light of the moon. Most of the animals enjoyed the presence of the moon, so they came out. And move to the last stanza. But all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way, and flowers and children close their eyes till up in the morning the sun shall rise. So all the things are awake at daytime and asleep in the night time. Cuddle means hold close in one's arms. Here the squalling cat, the squeaking mouse, the howling dog, the bat are all happy to see the moon shine on them, but most things active during the day, like flowers and children, close their eyes, sleeping to deny themselves the presence of the moon. The poet reminds us that there is time for everything on earth. The moon only appears at night. Some living things like to be out while others need rest. Hope you have understood this poem. Answer these questions in your textbook. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.